The secret rules of royal etiquette, strange and strict protocols royals must follow. Royalty, the crowns, the castles, the scandalous tea. But have you ever wondered what it's like to live under strict rules, not of a kingdom, but of royal etiquette? Brace yourself, because these secret protocols might just make your jaw drop. Let's dive into the bizarre world of royal rules. Rule number 1, hands off the royals. Yep, you heard that right. If you ever meet a king or queen, don't even think about hugging them. No high fives, no casual shoulder taps. Even a handshake is only okay if they initiate it first. Imagine being a royal and dodging a million unwanted pats on the back. Talk about personal space goals, right? Next up, we've got purse power. Royals, especially queens, use their handbags as secret communication devices. No, not for texting. If a queen moves her purse from one hand to the other, it's her subtle way of saying this convo is over. And placing the bag on the floor? That's code red. She's not enjoying the company at all. Now that's what I call classy ghosting. Dining with royals? Better brush up on your manners. Here's the deal. When the queen starts eating, you eat. When the queen stops eating, guess what? You stop too. Doesn't matter if you're halfway through your dessert. If she's done, so are you. Talk about pressure to keep up. And let's not forget the royal teacup rules. Pinkies out? Nope. Royals hold their teacups with their thumb and index finger, keeping their pinky tucked in. It's all about elegance, darling. Here's a surprising one. Direct heirs to the throne are usually forbidden from flying together. Why? To ensure the line of succession stays intact in case of, unexpected turbulence. So, Prince William and Prince George can only share a flight with special permission. Looks like being royal means saying, "Catch you at the next layover, Dad." Imagine explaining that to a 10-year-old. Sorry, son, it's not personal, it's protocol. And finally, the mysterious black outfit rule. Royals are required to pack a black outfit whenever they travel. No exceptions. Why? It's a precaution in case they need to attend a sudden funeral. Morbid, maybe. Prepared? Absolutely. So next time you complain about packing, remember, at least you don't have to plan for potential royal mourning while on vacation. And there you have it, the secret rules that keep the royal world spinning. Strange? Absolutely. Fascinating? You bet. Which rules surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more royal revelations. Until next time, stay classy, but maybe not this classy.